Welcome! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unlock a chat on WhatsApp. If you've locked a conversation for privacy and now want to access it, I'll guide you through the steps to easily unlock it. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is open, swipe down to view all your locked chats. This is where you'll find any chats you've secured with fingerprint protection. Next, tap on the Locked Chats section. Here, you'll see all the conversations that are locked. But before you can view any of them, you'll need to verify your identity. Now, touch your fingerprint scanner. This will authenticate you and give you access to the locked chats. If you're using a fingerprint, make sure it's registered and working properly. Once you've unlocked the chats, tap and hold the chat you want to unlock. This will bring up additional options for that specific chat. At the top right of your screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on these 3 dots to open the menu. From the options that appear, select Unlock Chat. Finally, you'll be asked to verify again using your fingerprint. Touch your fingerprint scanner one more time, and just like that, the chat will be unlocked and you'll be able to view its content. That's it. You've successfully unlocked your WhatsApp chat. Now you can access all your messages without any issues. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to like it and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.